This is not going very well.
I cannot wait to move past this keyhole dress because while sewing the sample, I ran out of fabric. If you've been following along, then you know I've made a bunch of samples to get where I am today. And where I am today is ready to fully test out this pattern. I was so excited to finally try and put this dress together. One, because I've been working on it for a month, and two, because I genuinely think it's going to be really pretty. So I got a little happy-go-lucky with the cut. The dress is patterned to have 6 gores, which are triangular pieces that are set in the seams. So now I'm piecing scraps together, and the dress will only have 4 gores and still be wrong. But everything else is being overly finished. So if you see the final dress done and I have a seam on my butt, no, you didn't see that actually, because this is a no issue project. I'm really just trying to power through this so I finally can go shopping for fabric.